Welcome to the Vernal Pond.
Woo! Get out, Nature Cat! Yay! Ho! Woo!
And it's neck for the first race of spring. Cat Beauty trails Hal Biscuit, but only by a hair.
Who, me?
I'll tell you, folks, I've never seen anything like it. Cat Beauty takes the lead. Hal Biscuit. Cat Beauty. Hal Biscuit. Hal Biscuit. The finish line's just up ahead. Who will be the first to cross it? It could be. It might be.
The spotted salamander! The crowd goes wild!
Huh? Well, looks like we had another competitor. I don't know why I'm panting. I was just sitting.
Well done, Spotted Salamander. I deem you the winner of the first race of spring.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daisy, and this is Nature Cat Squeaks and Owl.
Hi there, Fern's the name.
Hi, Fern. That's a nice name.
Hey, cool. Never met a salamander before. Nice to meet you.
Wonderful to meet you, Fern. And since you won the race, in addition to the beautiful flowers, you get to be serenaded by me. You are the champion, my salamander friend. You race at the very end.
Nature Cat, I love that song, really. Yeah, really, I do. But, you know, I have something a little more important to do.
Oh, and what, pray tell, could be more important than being serenaded for winning a pretend horsey race?
Well, I need to lay my eggs.
Okay, that is more important.
Excuse me? Oh, where does a salamander like you lay their eggs?
The safest place in the forest, of course.
Oh, wait, don't tell me. In a big nest like a birdie?
Oh, sir.
Interesting quandary. What about a hollow log?
Nope.
One of those little boxes at the bank with a key? That's pretty safe.
Oh, even safer than that, honey. I'm heading out to the pond in the middle of the forest.
Pond? I hate to tell you this, Fern, but there is no pond in the middle of the forest.
Nature Cat, there most certainly is.
I don't think so, Fern. For you see, I know these woods like the back of my hand. Dear me, what is on the back of my hand?
Nature Cat, there is a pond out there. I should know. I was born there. If you give me a lift, I'll show you myself.
You're on, Fern. Hitch a ride on my hat. Now, which way to the pond?
Way. Onward and pondward.
I like the way you think, Fern. Tally-ho!
Okay, now the pond is just up ahead on the other side of those trees.
Fern, I've been to this area 1,000,000 times. There is absolutely no pond. That's a pond.
Whoa.
Where did this come? I've never seen this.
What he's trying to say?
Welcome to a vernal pond!
But Nature Cat's right. A pond hasn't always been here. We came here in the fall. Roll flashback, please. We were playing and Nature Cat jumped into a pile of leaves.
Tally-ho!
There was no pond, just a small depression in the ground. And then when we went sledding last winter, there was no frozen pond.
Tally-snow!
Ah!
Nope, it's called a vernal pond. Vernal means spring, and that's when this pond happens.
So did the pond just magically appear?
Well, kind of. After last winter, the snow melted, and that, along with the rain we've been having, filled up this sunken space. It happens every year. Voila, a vernal pond.
Well, I'd love to hear more about this vernal pond. How about you give it to me in song form?
Hit it! Frog, toad, and salamander all have one great wish. A safe place to lay our eggs that's in water but away from fish. So when the snow melts and spring comes, a cool thing occurs.
What's that?
Some water sticks around to form a temporary habitat.
Wow! A vernal pond.
It's only here for part of the year, then poof, it's gone. Migrating ducks stop for a swim, and birds like to nest around the rim. They never starve or live off the larva.
Vernal pond.
This is the bestest for bugs and insects.
Vernal pond.
Fairy shrimp thrive here, live their whole lives
amazing how so much life can happen in a pond so small.
Yeah, so the duck says. Put it on my bill.
Girl, you cracked me up.
You mean quack me up?
Hey, Fern, you said there was no fish in the pond, but I am seeing something in here.